Welcome to Denbighshire Archives. Based in a spectacular Pentonville-style prison, which was built in 1866 and closed in 1916, the building is now used to store the county's unique archival collections and is home to the Ruthin Jail Heritage Attraction.
Good morning, Denbighshire Archives.
Hello, I'm here to see records relating to the workhouse, please.
OK, please push the door and make your way to the search room.
Denbighshire Archives Service collects historical records relating to Denbighshire and preserves them for future generations to use for research. Archive collections consist of a wide range of original records, including registers of births, deaths and marriages, newspapers, photographs, court records and more. The records date from the 12th to the 21st century.
Hello, so you would like to see some of our workhouse records? No problem. Would you sign in for me first, please, and then familiarise yourself with the search room rules? Do you have some identification with you that shows your address so that I can process a reader's ticket for you? Thank you. Please lock your bag away and then take a seat at the computers. Here's your reader's ticket. Now, you'll need to bring this with you every time that you visit us. We have a website which allows you to log in and book some of our services in advance. If this is something that you might find useful, firstly, you'll need to register. You'll find a useful video on our website explaining everything you need to know about how to do this. This is a document request slip. Can you fill in the date, your name and the document reference number, and then place your slip in the tray. This volume is over 100 years old, so please turn the pages very carefully. And this cushion is supporting its spine, so we need to leave it on there. Remember, if you need to make any notes, we only allow pencils in the search room, but you can take photographs while you are here, and feel free to ask me to make any copies from documents. Good luck with your research.